Welcome back, and we are in the question set 19. So this is the part of the question set 16, and we have already discussed about question set 17 and 18. If you didn't watch that videos, you can watch and come to this uh, video. So we can start this question set 19. So the first question is, two new students have been admitted to grade 11 of this school. Their details are listed in the table below. Enter the information in the student table. So as we did before and so many times, we can execute insert query for do this task. We can insert into our database name is exam markdb, and the table name is student, and we can enter the values, and we can mention the column names before the values. So column names are these, and so we can enter these column names. Last column name is this class ID. Next we can enter the values that we have to enter this table. So there are one, two, three, four, five, six values. So values are these. First value is index number, second value is first name is this, and third column is last name is this, and gender is this. And contact number is this. and class id is 11a. Class id is this 11a. Class id is 1. So for find this id, you can execute a subquery as I explained in the previous video. So you can do that also. So in this video I am not going to do that. So we can execute this query and we can move on to the student table, and as you can see the Amanti Vijayasinghe's data has been inserted into this student table. So we have to enter another student details. So we can insert that data also. So database name is this, and table name is student. The column names are these, and next we have to enter the values. So first one is index number, second one is her last first name, and second one is student's last name, third one is her gender, and the fourth one is contact number. So class id is class name is 11b, its id is 2. So we can execute this query. Let's see in the data table. We can refresh this. As you can see, the data has been inserted. Perfect. So can move on to the next question. Next question is in index number, this STU004 student's last name should be changed to Moses. So write the relevant SQL query. For do this task, we have to run a update query. So we have to update existing data in the in this table, in this student table. So we can execute the update query for do this task, and they have also given the condition. So the condition is the index number. We have to find this student by using this index number. So index number is unique to this student. There are no repeating index numbers in this column, so we can find this student by using this index number. So we can move to the query tab. Let me clear this tab. So we have to execute update query. So we can mention the update and next we have to mention the database name. Database name is this, and next we have to mention the table that we are going to update the data. So the table name is student, and now we can mention that what we are going to update. So we are going to update the last name. So we are going to update the last name column. Last name as now we can enter the value that we are going to update. So the last name should be this. So now we have to enter the condition. So if we don't enter this question, the query will not be executed, because this command cannot identify the column that we are going to update. So we have to enter the condition where the index number is this index number they have given this. So we can execute this query. We can see whether it's executed or not. So we can move to the data table, and this is the index number that we updated. So we can refresh this table. As you can see, the last name has been changed. So can move on to the next question. So Natasha Vimalasena students' contact number should be changed to this. Write the relevant SQL query. So also we have to execute a update query. So let's do that. Let's clear this tab, and we can execute another update query. Update. We are going to update this database, and what is the table? Table is a student, and set this value, uh, set this column's name as this. What is the column name? Contact number. So contact number should be changed as this. Now can enter the value, and now we can enter the condition where the the first name is this Natasha, and last name is this. So we have to enter the two conditions. So we can first name is this, and we have to enter another condition, and last name should be this. So we have entered the condition also, so we can execute this query, and let's see. So these are the conditions. So this contact number must be changed. We can refresh this table. As you can see, data, this contact number field has been updated. So let's move on to the fourth question. Natasha Vimalasena transferred schools before the first term examination. Therefore, remove the information about the student from the student table. So it means this student don't have this student doesn't have any exam records before, because she transferred before the first term examination. So she doesn't have any exam records. So we only have to remove from the student table. So we can execute a delete query for do this task. So we can execute a delete query. We can delete mention the statement and delete from database name and table name, next we have to enter the condition. Her first name and last name. We can find the student by using this first name and last name. First name, first name should be this, and her last name should be this. And we can execute this query and refresh this table. As you can see, her data has been removed from this table, so there are no any details about her in this table. So we can move on to the fifth question. Find out all details of all students in the school. So we have to execute a search query for this task, and let's see how can we do it. Can remove this query first. So we can select all data from student table, so now we can execute this query. As you can see, all data has been given. So next, move on to the next question. So next question is, find the marks of mathematics subject of all the students in the first term. So we have to find the mathematics marks of all students in the first term. So we have to find these details. So we can execute a search query. So for do this, we have to join some tables by using join queries. So why they have said find the marks of mathematics, some mathematics subject of all students in the first term. So we have to join the first term. We have to get the first term details from the term exam term table. So and we have to get information from the exam mark record table. So we have to join some tables by using inner join queries. So we have to find all marks, find the marks of mathematics. So we have to find marks, select uh, mark from student exam mark record table, and we have to inner join uh, we have to inner join the subject. We have to inner join the subject table. Subject table is student we have to inner join the subject table, and if you can remember what this inner join can do, this inner join statement can get results from the common results from the two tables that are interconnected with this inner join statement. So next we can mention the column names. First column name is student exam mark record tables. Subject ID must be equal to subject tables subject ID. So we have to inner join another table called exam term for get the exam term details. And next we have to check the columns. Its exam term ID must be equal to exam term tables term ID. And now we can enter the condition where subject name must be equal to this mathematics, and term name must be equal to first term. So we can execute this query. As you can see, the first term mathematics marks has marks has been given. So you can check from the exam mark record table also. So first one should be 50 and second one should be 80. As you can see, the all records have been given. So we can move on to the next question. Find all the marks obtained by all students in the first term in Sinhala language and literature subject. So we can do another search query. So we can do the same scenario as we did in the previous question. Select mark from exam mark DB database, and table must be this, and we can join subject table on this condition. Student SAM record tables ID subject ID must be equal to student tables subject ID. Not student table, subject table, subject ID. and we have to join another table. Exam term on, we have to check the condition. Exam term ID must be equal to exam term tables term ID. Now we have to enter the condition where subject name must be the this, and term name should be the first term. So we can execute this query. As you can see, all first single literature and single language and literature subjects, all first term marks have been given. So we can move on to the last question. Amandi Vijayasinghe entered another school from this school before the first term examination due to receiving a scholarship. Therefore, remove information on the student from the student table. So she don't have any exam records because she have exit from this school before the first term examination. So we can execute a delete query. So we can delete from this database and from this table, student table. And next we have to enter the condition where the column name column names must be the first name and last name. So we can first name must be this. I'm sorry. And other condition is last name must be this. So we can execute this query. Let's see student table. As you can see, her data have been removed from this table. So that's all for question set 19. We will meet again with question set 20. Until then, you can practice this question. So we will meet again with question set 20. Goodbye.